Hi there, Jenna Shimoleski with ERA Reardon Realty and my friend Izzy here are welcoming you to my newest listing here in Brooklyn, Michigan. Welcome to my listing on Kirkley Street. Not only will you have access to Lake Columbia and be in the heart of the Irish Hills with everything Brooklyn and Clark Lake have to offer, this 5-bedroom, 3-bath house is so large, great entertaining areas, almost completely refurbished. You've got new roof, new finished areas, new flooring, new painting. Why don't you just come check it out?